Welcome to this clear and easy to follow guide on moving songs within your Amazon Music playlist. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step to help you organize your music exactly how you want it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Amazon Music website. Once you are there, take a moment to explore the interface if you are not already familiar with it. This website is designed to offer you a vast collection of music and playlists, and starting on the correct page will ensure you access all of these features with ease. After you have reached the main Amazon Music page, direct your attention to the library section. You will find a prominent option for your library, which holds all your saved music and playlists. Clicking on your library is the next logical step, as this will display all the content that you have stored on your account. The interface is displayed in a clear and organized manner, making it user-friendly even for those who may be using the site for the first time. Within your library, look for the playlist segment. Once you click on the playlist option, you will be able to see a list of all your custom and saved playlists. This area gives you complete control over your musical collections, allowing you to fine-tune the order of songs, or simply review your playlists. It is in this section where you will perform the moves necessary to rearrange your music. Now, with your desired playlist visible on your screen, identify the song you wish to reposition. As you move your mouse over the list, pay close attention to the song you intend to reposition because a drag handle will appear when you hover over that specific song. This visual cue is essential as it indicates that the song is ready to be moved using the drag and drop feature. Once you see the drag handle by hovering over the song, click on it and hold your mouse button down. The drag handle is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to understand that the song is in a movable state. While still holding the button down, gently drag the song to the desired location within the playlist. This movement can be done smoothly, allowing you to place the song exactly where you want it by moving it up or down the list. After positioning your song in the new arrangement, simply release the mouse button to drop the song into its new position. Your playlist will automatically update to reflect this change, so you can continue reorganizing any other songs or simply enjoy your newly ordered playlist. This process is straightforward and efficient, requiring just a few moments to achieve complete control over the order in which your music plays. By following these clear instructions, you have successfully learned how to rearrange songs in your Amazon Music playlist. Now you have a better understanding of manipulating your favorite tunes to create the perfect listening experience. Enjoy your newly organized music collection and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust your playlist further.